It's you. Disney Marvel, Disney Marvel, Disney Marvel, Disney Marvel.
On the day that they first signed that contract, and Marvel became Disney's to own. Marvel gave to Disney mail demos they need. Marvel got tons of money to blow in the contract for life. Great things are in store. Pixar will excel. A following civil war. There is no downside to getting your for the awesome of the contract for life. Hey, Bax, what's going to happen now that Disney bought Marvel?
What do you mean?
Well, some fans are saying it'll be a disaster, but the studios are saying it'll be the best thing ever. So, which is it?
Have they ruined any franchises yet?
No.
Have they saved any franchises yet?
No.
Can you see the future?
No.
Can I see the future?
No.
So there's really no way of knowing.
No.
So there's really no point in asking.
No.
So there's really no point in worrying.
No.
Feel better?
Yeah, I do.
Good. Can I get a water?
Yeah, sure.